Where are we going?
Why?
Tap Tap and JB?
In the zoo.
At the zoo?
Zoo. 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 Not zoon. It's zoo. Zoon. Not zoon. Zoon. No. Broken car. It's got a purple. Color purple flower. Oh, that. Broken. I like spider.
You saw it already.
I want dragon. No. It's mine. It's a dragon.
Mag-away ka.
Dragon. Ano ba? Tata?
May kapihan daw doon, no? Pwede umupo doon. Siyempre magkapitin kayo.
No. Wow. This is flower.
It's wet. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. Ayaw nyo talagang mabasahin sa mat.
It's wet.
Sorry.
It's wet daw. Oh no, where's JP? Let's follow JP.
Uy.
Dad, it's too good.
Oh, don't run, don't run. Where's the jungle? We're on the jungle? Nasa jungle daw siya pa.
Wow.
We're on the jungle.
Hey, look. Fish.
The fish.
Wow.
Fish.
It's a fish.
It's so big.
Tap Tap, oh, it's so big here. It's so
Hey,
big.
look.
What's that?
It's big.
Look at it.
Let's
Let's go snake.
Alam mo yung snake?
Oh, I see that.
Wow.
Tap, look! Tap, look! This one, look! The eyes, it's so big.
Look the eyes of the fish. Look the eyes of the fish. It's a goldfish. Tap Tap, what is this? JB, dito lang, JB.
Hindi, wala ka.
Pasensya na sa mga bata. Where? Can you? Wow. Is that an iguana?
It's so big! It's so big! Look at this! Alam na gusto ko! Hey, what's this?
Tap, picture! Picture with the iguana.
Tap Tap, come here. Picture here.
Where's the snake? Where's the snake?
Picture with the snake. Picture with the snake. Okay, let's picture with the snake.
Wala, ano lang talaga yan. Video lang talaga. Iguana.
Gecko.
What's that, Mira? Mira, kaka ni Mami. It's a gecko.
Ano yan?
It's a
Where's the
gecko.
Where's the gecko?
Ready to go.
Ready? Where's JB?
Iguana is
Ayun.
Laki ng bundok ko!
Picturean ko.
Laki ng bundok!
Okay, let's go.
What is that?
There's a snake
there's a snake?
This one.
Oh, picture.
Let's picture with the gecko.
Oh, picture with the gecko. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. There's an iguana. Oh, let's go see another fish.
Let's go next.
Let's go next.
Next.
Let's go next. Oh, there's a deer. Oh, daddy.
So, that one name is Rudolph.
Rudolph.
Second naman po si Bambi, Maggie, and Benji. So, 4 deer inside.
Tep-tep, huwag ka maingay. Baka tumakbo.
Hi to Rudolph.
Hi,
And Benji. Yan po. So now, yun po sila yung picture.
Just wait.
Say hi. Hi, Rudolph, Bambi, Maggie.
Hi, Bambi. Sabihin mo dali. Hi, Bambi.
So, 4 po sila.
Hi, Bambi.
Hi,
Hello,
Bambi,
Bambi.
Benji,
Hi, Bambi.
Rudolph, and Maggie.
Rudolph and Bambi. Maggie.
For the boys po, sila po yung...
Ang iingay ng mga bata. Where's the chicken daw? Ah. Okay. Ay, lemon?
Ano siya? Lime?
Ah, lime? Magtanim tayo dun.
Nakakatawa eh, no?
Hmm.
So, 146
Wala, ang dami.
Dami.
and nakakapag...
146?
po. And then nakakapag...
Ayan.
Mag-2 years at sila.
Magto 2 years.
What is that?
Tap-tap, go here lang for...
Tapos yung itlog nila nandyan lang.
Actually, sir, sa loob ko.
Meron sila dito.
Ah, dito. Dati meron pa dito.
Morning naman. Morning and 5:30 in the morning.
What is that? Dami chicken.
Dami chicken.
Yes.
Huwag ganyan, huwag ganyan.
Sino tumain?
Ay, say bye-bye to the chicken.
Bye-bye, chicken. Bye-bye, chicken. Chicken.
Kailangan mo nga, JB.
Marami yan.
There's a rabbit.
Pero bang tiger dito?
Naunda na. Kaya mo, at least naglalakad. JB, usog usog.
What ng JB?
Okay, careful.
This is the pigeon.
There's a pigeon?
Yes.
Ah, how many is that?
The pigeons.
What color? What color?
Guess what is the color of the pigeon?
It's a white.
What is the color of the pigeon?
White
and black and white.
White.
White
and
black
violet.
and white.
So here, the normal
Ang
pigeons
dami.
is located from Calamba, Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. And then 86 packs of pigeons.
86? Ang dami.
So after the pigeon, proceed po tayo sa park na. Narali po.
Tap-tap, no running.
Rabbit. Hi, rabbit. I want some rabbit. The rabbit right here.
There's a oh, ang laki. Gulat ako. Ang laki.
Stress yung mga hayop.
I want a rabbit.
For now, here, meron po kaming 4 kinds of rabbit, the New Zealand lionhead and dwarf rabbit po.
Ang laki
Yung
nila.
malaki doon, anong klaseng rabbit yan?
Careful, stay here muna po.
Stay here, stay here.
Okay na po.
Okay, mommy.
Sige po, let's proceed.
Okay, mami.
Let's go.
Ang laki ng rabbit. Tap-tap. Daddy, assist.
Ay,
Nauuna yun.
careful po.
Excited na excited eh.
Careful.
Wow. Ito, yan o.
Ganyan lang eh. Pero peke.
Pero peke lang. Peke lang gagawin natin?
Hindi, peke yan eh.
Ay, oo nga, no. Baguio, pero mainit. Ay. Hala, laki ng pika.
Pag naka-stretch ka ng meaningless.
Gisel, ayaw na daw magtapon.
Okay.
There's a picture right here.
Yes.
Hi, Pika. Hi, Pika.
Hi, Peacock.
Hi, Pika.
So, yung malalaking spread, lalaki yon. Ah, parang. Kaya nga.
May mata, may mata doon.
Talaga, tayo.
There asa ay.
Tep, what is that?
Hi, Pika. Ah, there's a bird right here.
There's a bird right here.
Of Avery's po, total po sila iba't iba pong mga Avery's
Hi, Pika.
So for now, si Peacock po natin yung may maganda pong feathers. Mag-shed po siya around June po. Lahat po yan mag-shed po. So magiging plain pihan po siya. And tutubo na naman po siya for a whole year. Ang pinaka-best po niya is December, January, and February.
Pagkatutubo pa lang.
Pero lahat po matatanggal, pati po yung skin niya po na white.
Hello, Pika.
Tanggal lahat.
So every year siya.
Ah, here you go. Ah.
Nagre-replenish.
But since natibay po. Feathers.
This one here,
Ito
eagle.
po yung Bermuda.
Tep, look.
Hindi bone na rin po siya. Fillet na po na chicken.
Kaya pala nag-alaga sila.
Adebone na din.
So, pwede naman po siyang live chicken po, pero as of the moment, hindi po inaalog yung management kasi magiging harmful.
Eagle? What color is the eagle? What color? Brown and
White.
white.
Look for the praying mantis. Where? Did you find it?
Right there. Up here, up here. This one is. Look at that. Ah, my gazelle. No, up
What insect is that?
up there. This is I have a grasshopper. I have a grasshopper. Mantis right here. Where's the grasshopper? This grasshopper right here. Wow. Ah!
Nagsiksikan pa yung tatlo dyan.
Wala grass.
Ha?
Doon na lang muna, tapos balik na natin.
Sige. Hey!
Ay no, iyan. Dito lang kami sa gilid. Tata, just wait here. Daddy will Man! Ito kami. Dami tao.
Antayin natin si...
Hintayin natin si Stephen. Antayin mo natin si Stephen. Birthday! Yay! Daddy ba? Diyan lang po sa kanto, please.
Tumitingin ako ng side mirror.
Daddy ba? Oh no! Where's Mira and JB? Find it. Bye.
Tama ka.
Joke na naman si Daddy. Joke.
Mukha ba akong bite?
Oh no! It's so many cars. Are they? Daddy malaki. Tingnan mo, pagod na si JB. JB! Ano, pagod ka na? Pagod ka na, JB? Hello! So many cars, so many bikes. Si Daddy nagda-drive. Jug. Ganun. Ah! Bata! Ano ba yan? Tulog na ang tep-tep. Nagbabike kami. Daddy, nagbabike pa din. Struggle is real dito. Let's see. Like. Traffic. Hanggang dito, traffic. Oops. Sarapan. JB! No, huwag ka magmabilis, JB. Tapos na. Oh, tabi na tayo doon. Daan, JB. Ay!
Oh, say sorry.
Ops, kuya, excuse. Daan lang sa bike.
Ito, sobre. Tapos na ba yung 1 hour?
Sisigit kasi sa...
Meron pa ba oras?
Ikot ka pa?
Gusto mo pa? Ayaw mo na? Gusto mo pa? Meron pa.
Pagod na ako eh. Basta...
Ano lahat ng slide ginawa ni Tep-Tep? Oh, where are you going? Where are you going?
Ano tawas?
350. Ano, i-free na ako yung battery na. Para natin.
Ah. Ito si Tep-Tep po. Lahat ng slide, ano niya. Mira, let's go here. What's that, Tep-Tep? Wala yun, tinatakbuhan na. Wait, just wait, JB. Let's wait, JB. Oh, tato sa kapunta. No, it's close. It's close. It's close, oh. It's close. Oh, don't go there. Oh, sige, try it. Oh, yeah, try. Try. Can you help? Can you help daw?
Hold here.
Very good. Oh, you go baba na.
Oh no.
It's close. I told you it's close.
It's close.
Wala magawa tong anak mo. Go here, slide there, oh. You can go there na.
Tep-Tep, look.
Gusto sa malaki. Wala close eh. Ito lang. Tep-Tep, it's close there. It's close. It's close. Go here. This way. One, two, three, go!
Yeah.